Alright, what's up YouTube? Two Guns Tony here, saying what's up. I gotta say, I set a goal for myself to hit 100 subscribers by the end of summer. I started this kind of as like a hobby in the very beginning of summer, and coming across all the other motovloggers on YouTube really inspired me to start my own YouTube and tell my own stories and go on my own rides out here, and I've had a lot of fun doing it and sharing it with all of you. As of when I just left my house a moment ago, I was at 71 subscribers. 71? I might have lost one. I could have swore I saw 72 at some point in there. But I was at 71 subscribers, and I was really pleased with that. That's awesome. So I want to do something to really push me over the edge to get me up to 100 subscribers by my goal by the end of summer, which I always consider to be Labor Day. So I'm gonna drop a twofer video this week. You'll get a Cardo unboxing video, and you'll get this video on my 100 subscriber giveaway. Yes, that's right, a small, less than 100 subscriber channel. That lady was looking at her phone, got me so nervous as I was gonna pass her. Whew. Anyways, yes, a small, less than 100 subscriber channel is gonna have a giveaway, and as you probably expect, it's nothing big, but it is awesome. So what I got, I'll talk about the company that gave it to me, or I got it from. They didn't really give it to me, but they gave me a good deal on it. And then I'll tell you what it is, and then I'll show you some pictures while we go to happy hour together. We're going to happy hour over there at North Bar, but I need gas first. So this is a happy hour. This is a subscriber giveaway video, and this is going to be this week. We're also going to get an unboxing video. Excellent. All right. So Harry Customs out of San Diego, California. Harry Customs is a guy I met through the Facebook Harley-Davidson pages. He's actually local to my area, nice guy. I rode with him a few times. Just really awesome dude, really down to earth. Anyways, he bought some motorcycle parts from me, and I asked him, I said, hey, let me get one of those oil protectors and let me give it away on my channel. And he said, great, pay me. I said, oh, of course I will. But he had some good ideas. He wanted me to customize it for my channel. And now that I have it, I kind of don't want to give it away, but I am going to give it away. I have a Two Guns Tony oil cooler cover for the M8 Softails. So that's what this is, the Low Rider S 2020. Low Rider S is a softail, M8 softail. And in the front, on the frame, you got your little oil cooler, as I like to call it, the thingy that catches bugs. You got that down there. You can put this little cover over it with all different designs. Harry Customs makes them. They 3D print them. They're awesome. They look cool. You can get them all different ways. I have one, and I'm giving it to you guys. So I'm gonna go get some gas right now, and then we're gonna go over to North Bar, have happy hour, and I'm gonna talk to you about this oil cooler cover and where it goes. I'll definitely. Any of you guys ever do this? You don't want the hose to go over your tank, so you park, so you can put the hose that way. This guy's looking at me all weird, like, why is this guy talking to himself? All right. All right, we're heading to North Bar. This is one of those restaurants I get all over my social media because I live right around the corner from them. And they're doing a lot of really cool, interesting stuff because of the COVID restrictions. They're having like outdoor movie nights and all this kind of awesome stuff. So I figure why not go Friday night, go get a happy hour drink, have some pub food, and then actually I'm heading over to my friend's house because we got a service project this weekend where we're going to pass out school supplies for military connected families in our area. So I'm gonna go pack up some school supplies over at my buddy's house later. Good. Where can I sit? Can I have? All right, cool. Sit over there. I'm gonna sit back there.
Enjoy effort, and that's the great thing about the Vance&hines. Everything is going to be combined and thought of throughout all the members that have to be.
All right, made it to North Bar, and I'm here to show off the oil color. I can't even say this right, no matter how many times. The oil cooler cover from Harry Customs that I'm giving away when I hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. You can win this oil cooler cover when I get 100 subscribers. This is my plan to put me over, help me reach my goals this summer. I'll do a separate video where I announce the giveaway, and it'll be basically like a comment down below, and I'll pick a commenter at random, and they will get the oil cooler cover from Harry Customs. Harry Customs out of San Diego. They got the Instagram I already mentioned previously. I hope you guys can hear this over the baseball in the back. But I'm super excited about this. Like I said, I wanted to put it on my bike. I don't know how well it's coming out here, but the Two Guns Tony down here branding. I love this. This is awesome. I just wanted to show this to you really quick. I'll catch you when we hit 100 subscribers, and I'll give you all the rules and the details on how you can win this oil cooler cover. Keep in mind, this is for M8 Softails, and the oil cooler on the M8 Softails specifically. Other bikes, I'm just not sure if they'll fit. Reach out to Harry Customs, but I'm almost positive that it's M8 Softails only for this one. So maybe other giveaways. If this is successful, maybe I'll do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and I'll try to do different things so that other subscribers with different kinds of bikes can get stuff from helping me get my subscribers up. Appreciate it, and I think there's still more left to this video. I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited about the growth I've seen on this channel. I know I got a lot more stuff to put out, a lot more content to create, a lot of improvement to make in some of my content, especially in the editing and the post side. I appreciate all you early adopters, everyone jumping in and hitting that subscribe button for me this early on. I mean, 3 months in the game and 70 subscribers, I'm doing really well. Like I said, my goal is 100 by Labor Day, and I think we're going to make it. This is going to push us over the edge. Let me know in the comment section down below what other kind of giveaways you'd like to see on this channel. All right? Catch you on the next one.
I never got to do that. We talked about the generational gap. These guys are 21, 22, 23.
Later, guys.
Save an extra 15% when you switch line to Over 7.